Knocked down from behind by Schneider. Maintains control of the puck. Between the legs, Jarvis. Back to Orlov. Spun across. Long shot. Score! Chatfield fires one from the point. And Carolina has the lead.
Wrist or midsection, but he's leaned over. You can see he's playing his stick on his wrong hand right now, not using.
Aho in front. Score! The one touch. Aho. A perfect setup to Jarvis. The top line strikes. And it's 2-0 Carolina. Keep it moving in the offensive zone. Floats it to the corner. Blake with the pivot behind the net. Centering one out in front. Loose on the edge of the crease. Score! It's Blake! The rookie does it again. Jackson Blake with his 17th. And the hard work pays off for Carolina. They lead 3-0. That shot caroms to the corner. Walker had a look. It's out in front. Jankowski scores! Roofs it over Shesterkin. And that look says it all on the bench for Artemi Panarin. Jankowski makes it 4-0. Get away, though, by Walker. Gloved down. And JT Miller thought about bringing it across. A rolling puck eludes his stick. Not Cooley, though. Moves in. Wrist shot. Score! Will Cooley. 15.5 to go in the period. A little life breathed back into the game for the Rangers as it's now 4-1. As a takeaway by Stahl. He glides down the left wing side. Shoots and scores! Jordan Stahl, coast to coast. He restores a Carolina 4-goal lead.
Good position on that save.
Miller alone scores! The Rangers won the draw in Trocheck. A beautiful little one-touch feed to JT Miller. Rangers strike on the power play, and it's 5-2. After a brief period of time here, ends up in Dallas. Panarin in the high slot. Finds a cutter. Fox scores on the backhand. Panarin to Fox. Life for the Rangers. As the Rangers have the net empty, needing a pair with 3.5 minutes to go. Martinook eyes the empty net. Scores!
To block it, not allowing Stankoven to bury it in the empty net.
Slavin clears the zone. JT Miller blows a tire. Stankoven scores into the empty net. With 2:01 to go, the second time that the Canes have scored with the Rangers pulling the goaltender.